When's Roadhouse? Woo! It's raining like, it's raining like crazy. Not crazy, but...
Hey!
Don't drink and drive.
Here?
Did the open container laws come through? I'm just kidding.
Where's the TV? You can have both of you one. I bought it because when you got, I couldn't get a hold of you for a long time. I went out and you started looking for it. And it was,
we love
he says, well, okay, we're all going to put about 12 people
Mosquitoes
together.
are huge, huh?
Going out the winery. So I got to get a little bit more
fucking huge, man.
Before we go out there, so I'll make sure we go to the right spot.
Fucking suck.
Tell him you want to go to MCAS.
Big ass bugs.
Just tell him you want to go. Tell him you want to go. In fact, I'll email it to you, and we'll tell him that you'll tell him that you want to go to Dali Maya and MCAS, and they'll leave you alone.
Video entry, day 3. I'm gonna die. I popped. This is day 3, we're waking up at the trailer park. There's mountains everywhere. So,
Hi, Andy.
say something for the camera.
Hi, Andy. Andy, you got to be a good boy today, because you sleeping too much. You sleeping too much.
Drink too much. Okay. Breakfast time. McWill's Lodge. Say something for the camera.
Hey. We're going to let you do it by yourself so you can get your photo.
Oh yeah, right.
Hey, here, let's push him off. You gonna hold it up, right side?
Ugliest looking fish I've ever seen.
How about if I grab the nail?
Hello, Andy.
Hello.
There's old sleeper taking my picture.
Old sleeper.
Hey, sleepy time! Nappy time!
Nah,
Hello, sleepy time. How you be, sleepy time?
pretty good. Check out the fish. Oh, sorry.
Fish on. Get fish on.
There, go ahead.
Nice one. You got one on too?
You got it?
Got him?
Taking it as he wants it.
Oh yeah, buddy. Bring that fish in.
So all we did was windy driving, that was it? That's okay. I tell you what. I'll tell you a cobble story.
Get him, Brian.
I had a hit and a planer. You got that on video, it just looked good.
Oh well, can't win them all, right? Woo!
Are you singing to your real voice? Come on, Brian. On here too. Oh shit.
I got you on tape.
It's a real one.
Hey, I'm gonna show you some tail.
Oh my God.
See that?
I saw that. Wow.
Fish in it. Hey, you want some help over here or something?
Not that one yet.
Oh,
That's a silver.
how you doing there, Andy? You got him still? Just chilling. There we go. What we got here?
You got him, buddy.
Taking. Oh, don't go back any further, buddy. It's all right. Hey! There. And the fish love Dad's feet. I know, you got your silver shoes on. All right. What a beautiful world.
Oh yeah.
He's there. He's there.
Got one going on this one.
Not there yet.
serious shit.
All right, smile safe. Shit.
Fish on!
Fish on!
One more.
Dude.
It's going.
I got one. Oh God, I got one.
Andy, is that a fish?
Oh, here it is.
Oh, wait a sec.
Oh, wait a minute. Look at what I got here.
Oh my God, it's a mini.
It's a Mini Cooper.
I'll pull that thing straight up.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at me.
Hollywood.
Hi. How y'all doing?
Hello, ladies.
Video entry, day 5? Damn.
4 and a half, 5.
Yeah,
Whatever it is.
it's Tuesday.
What big ass day is all this is?
We have been in Alaska for about 3.5 days now. We're waking up in a trailer park. We caught a lot of fish yesterday. The video camera wasn't working, so I mean it was working. We just ran out of power. Now it's fully charged, and we're gonna be heading out on the Kenai River today with Scott. He was that other guy earlier. I don't know how to explain it. Anyway, we're gonna be going out fishing for reds and Dolly Varden and what else?
Rainbow.
And rainbow.
No dorkfish.
No dorkfish. I'll talk to you later, bitches.
Say something for the camera.
Yo, what's happening?
Not much. Let's check out our
We're
rubbers.
going fishing. Hey, give it here. Let me show you. Check out the rubber. All right. There you go. See, look. Yeah. And give it here.
Oh, this is great.
Fully protected.
Look at that. He's protected. No Eskimos can get through that. All right, there's the old man. How do you zoom on this damn thing? Oh, there it is.
We're in Soldotna.
Soldotna. And there's our boat getting launched. Hang on, let me get over there.
You can be video man for a while.
Hell no, I'm not being video man. All right, I'm done.
Oh, that was on camera.
Gonna clean my glasses off.
What's happening?
This
I
is
was going out in the Kasilof River.
it's a little different than the boat we were on the other day.
It's like a seal off river.
Kasi-
No motors allowed.
At all.
We're bounce, bumping, and boogieing.
Bounce, bounce. Maybe do a little trolling, maybe? The divers? What is that over there?
It's up 100% deep, right? This is the gorgeous Kasilof.
I'll say so.
This is where Andy had those girls last night.
For the record, baby, I did not have any girls here last night.
Like, 3 Eskimos and 2 other twins. Nothing wrong with that, right?
Let's have a confessional. Look at the camera and tell us bullshit.
Bullshit.
Okay, thank you very much. We got some fishermen over out on the bank. And it looks like they ain't having much luck because we're going to be catching their fish in about 2 minutes.
See them all? Immature bald eagles.
We should get a picture of them, man.
You'll get them on the video, aren't you? Yeah, we'll get closer, but you got it on video, right?
Well, they selling that cabin up there?
No, lodging.
In a boat on a sea log taking a picture of immature, now a mature eagle.
Animals
It
about to
happened
catch
right
us.
in front of us. Things
It
happen
happened
fast
right
sometimes.
in front of us while we're eating our salmon. Show them the salmon, big boy. Show them the salmon. There you go. That's the salmon. Drinking a famous bottle of Corona and Miller Lite. Okay, you're all cut up to speed now.
You're here.
Let's see that immature flying off.
That's salmon.
America the Beautiful. I love the bald eagle. He does got a piece of salmon, doesn't he?
Go. Yeah.
He's doing better than us right now. He's laughing at us. Man, that is a bald eagle. Freaking huge.
And he's not in a zoo.
He just dropped his fish. He's like, oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck, what are you messing my chicken for?
One more of you, buddy.
See if they knock us off our anchor.
Huh?
If it what?
See if they knock us off our anchor. The wake.
Why don't you change my eggs up, buddy?
Oh, that looks better now that they're in the air.
Look at that, yeah.
We're out of here. We're going to Grassy Bank. That's
I'm out here fishing and I'm gonna just throw the rod into the water. Right there. Oh, shit. God, stupid bitch. I had to marry her with a fucking messed up kid throwing rocks at the trees. Oh, God, I'm so fucking poor. Oh, gosh.
Simply marvelous.
Huh?
Marvelous.
Marbles?
You didn't ask me how I'm doing. I'm doing just fine.
Why is that?
There's a little fish in the back of the boat right now.
Whose fish is that?
I have to call it mine.
you. Hi, Jen. Hi, Suzanne.
Did I say anything? What happened today?
Gun, didn't have our guns with us, god damn. If we'd only had our gun with us.
What you done?
Shot at Captain Fucker.
The guide sucked. That's what it was.
I got another one on the line for him. I don't know what happened.
Who'd you get the line?
Oh, yeah, Salmon Slayer comes through again.
Yeah, commercial fish, halibut, inside Cook Inlet.
They dump everything else pretty much.
Well, they're supposed to. I guarantee you, when they pull up the link cod, they're not throwing it back.
They dump.
So what's so special about a lingcod?
They're just super good. My dad's good. He's done.
entry. Day 6 or 5. Whatever. We just cleaned the trailer out and I almost yacked my brains out. We're heading back out to the Kenai River, correct?
No, we're having some greasy breakfast first.
Oh.
We're going to the Kenai.
We're going to the Kenai later, but before we go there, we're gonna get some breakfast at Sal's. Later.
Talk some shit. Talk some shit.
Hey, you two fuckers gonna catch a king today? Come on.
I think so. Ed?
I have to catch another one. They're so big.
Great salad.
They're big.
King salmon.
Say it.
King salmon. King salmon.
Set up in the Great Alaska. About to get on the water.
We got Cullen with us today, steering and guiding. How's it going?
All right.
And we'll give you a report. See if Kathy's done any good this year with Lawrence. See if we're doing all right.
Does that guy have to sign a waiver? For a video table? That must be fishing game, huh?
It's just the same difference.
Well, this river is a lot calmer than the Silo fish.
Got a boat up here in the hole.
Yeah.
Boat there's this element of bass tracker.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that what that is?
Bass boat. Yeah.
Good looking house there.
Where's that at?
Log cabin right there. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, it's a big one.
What you got there, buddy? What you got? That was a bitch fish.
Doesn't mean we get to ski your fish in. You want a picture with this one, Pop?
No, it's all right.
You don't want one? Okay.
A
There you go.
little mini. Foul hook.
Oh, he went for the other one.
For the camera.
Bitch. That's two.
Hold on.
You can
I got it. Hold it. Give back. Wait.
oh, jeez, you can augment it.
I got it.
Go.
I love the trout.
My main reason I came up here is for those rainbows.
September, baby. September.
Oh, yeah,
Last
no,
week of
I'm waiting.
August to the first 3 weeks of September, that's rainbow killing.
Rainbow killing time?
We catch 100 trout between Cooper Landing Bridge.
You forgive me.
Got mine about as long as your dick.
Say that again, sir.
Remember, as long as your dick. Poquito.
Keto.
There's some ladies watching this. Can you say bullshit real quick?
Where the hell?
Come on, Mick, take it.
You're all in a lot of trouble. Well, Pop, the weird thing about the past 3 days, I've been drinking too much. The whole right side of my body is tingling.
Pull it out of here.
Looks like I caught myself something.
You got him, Andy?
Sure enough.
Oh, look at that. I think he's dead.
No way.
All right, that's enough.
What? The biggest one all day.
Fuck, no, that one I let it try to release them to it. That's a piece of little shit.
That is not. Tell him, that's the biggest one all day.
Nice rainbow.
It is a nice rainbow. Look
See,
at
he's
that.
politically correct. You understand? A nice
Look
rainbow.
at that. That's a big fish.
Sure.
It's a nice rainbow.
Those look like a damn nice rainbow.
Well, I'm trying. Give me a second.
Yeah, baby, I know you are. I know you are. I'm not talking bad about you. I'm just saying.